We'll start our program with some economic data released by the Ministry of Commerce. Foreign direct investment in China fell in March, the first drop in more than a year. Analysts say, well, the decline reflects challenges overseas investors are facing in an increasingly sophisticated environment. China attracted more than $12 billion in FDI last month, down 1.47% year on year. More than half of the FDI went into China's service sector, which is up more than 20% from a year earlier. Investments from most Asian countries maintained steady growth, while investments from Japan and the European Union dropped significantly. As for trade figures, combined exports and imports reached 5.9 trillion yuan, down 3.7% year on year, and export volume reached 3 trillion yuan, declining by 6.1%. The drop in China's total trade volume has caused concern over the growth prospects of its economy. But spokesman from the Ministry of Commerce, Shen Danyang, says trade statistics are likely to improve after May.
With a slow recovery in developed economies and weak emerging economies, we remain cautious about trade for the entire year. But we also see many positive factors. Even though we saw some very disappointing trade figures in the first quarter, and that may extend to April, we're confident that we can reach our growth target for the entire year.